Hello everyone. Today we will explore how to recover deleted photos on the iPhone. Method 1. Use the built-in recently deleted feature of the iPhone. This feature can save your deleted photos and videos for up to 30 days. If your photos were deleted within this time frame, you can follow these steps to recover them. Method 2. Use Mobican Doctor for iOS, a professional iOS data recovery tool that can help you recover photos from backup. Download and install Mobican Doctor for iOS on your computer. Launch the software and select Recover from iTunes Backup File Mode. The software will scan your computer and display all available iTunes backup files. Select Photo, Albums, and click Start Scan. Select the photos you want to recover and click Recover to Computer to save them to your computer. That's it for the two methods to recover permanently deleted photos on the iPhone. Hopefully, these tips can help you retrieve your precious memories.